Imagine pure, healthy water at your fingertips. Introducing the Bluevua RO Water Purifier, dedicated to delivering the purest water for your family, effortlessly fitting into your life with no complex installations. Simply plug in the Bluevua and start enjoying pure water wherever you are. Dive into the heart of Bluevua, an advanced 6-stage filtration system. This powerful combination ensures exceptional purity by removing 99.9% of contaminants. But we don't stop there. The carafe's lid houses a special remineralization filter, enriching your water with essential minerals. With our LCD display, stay fully informed about your water's quality, offering you a complete overview every time you drink. With a high-bore silicate carafe, we emphasize health and purity, avoiding plastics to maintain your water's pristine quality. Enhance your well-being and embrace purity with Bluevua, transforming every sip into a healthier experience.